Hello, I am Florence Stroma. I am a Canadian living in Norway and a Mary Kay consultant. And Mary Kay, our founder, she's here on the picture. She started this company 58 years ago in the age of 40, and she has done a wonderful job of giving women work where they can decide themselves how they want to work. But today I will show you makeup for a person my age. I am 75 years old, and of course that's debatable how you want to look, but I'm going to just give you a kind of a calm look for me. I have done some preparations, of course. I have cleansed my face with the Time Wise Repair Cleansing Cream. The Repair series is for people 50 plus, or if you have other kind of skin problems that you need to use. And I have put on the eye cream. I have put on the serum to tighten up the skin. Then I put the day cream on, Time Wise Repair Day Cream. And of course, if it was night, I would have put on the one for night. And the night series has a silver color. And so now we'll start with the brow. Just put my hair back away from my face. So I have a little brush here, so I will just brush it. I'll just make a line under my brow. And then make strokes up with Mary Kay's eyebrow liner. So now I will just brush the brow, trim it a little bit or send it to the side, you know, like you might like to do. We do have a brow, it's called To Make Volume, and you can add a little volume to your brows if you like. So I'll just put a tiny bit in. I'm using something called dark brown because I don't like the darker colors. And then I'll go to the foundation. And my foundation is Beige 120 from the Mary Kay's Liquid Foundation. So now we do have to take off the glasses. And I will use the foundation brush that we have. And I put it on the brush. Some people like to put a dot here and a dot there. Well, I can do that too with the brush. Down the nose, and I don't know if you noticed, but I had a little red spot on my nose, so I'll just kind of dab the foundation over it so it won't show. This foundation is shiny, but I'm going to use translucent powder on it afterwards. But some people like to look shiny. I don't mind. And then I had already put some down in the bottom of my lid here. This is a see-through powder. You can't see that you have it on. And we've learned that we should brush the final strokes, brush down, so those tiny hairs in your face also lay down. So now we're going to go over to the eyeshadow. I have my three brushes lined up here. There's a flattish looking one, and that I will take the light color. I think it's called Biscotti, and I'll do the whole lid with the light color. Remember to poke it down like that. And then in the corners where you might be a little dark. So, and then there's a brush that's it looks like it almost has a point on it that I'm going to put on the eyelid. And then I just go back and forth like this. put some more on that one. This is a very subtle look. And then I put a little bit of nutmeg brown in the corners here. And then I brush a little bit of the light just on the front of the lobes to give a little shine there. And then maybe over a little on the dark. Then comes the eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I like this. We have waterproof, which I found was very good for the summer, but now for the winter, I like the regular eyeliner. I find if you just hold the lid, pull the lid aside, most of the time I'm just not really looking, I'm just kind of feeling because I know where the edge of my eye is there. And then we will do a little mascara, and this is called the Ultimate Mascara. This is dark brown, as that I like to have that, 'cause I don't like it quite so hard. So, and now comes the blush, and this is called Sky Blush. And then I do just a few drops, a few brush strokes up. I can probably take down my hairband now if I want to put it back on. I'm looking for my lip liner. Oh yes, of course I put it over here. And this is called a Coral lip liner. I actually do have lipstick on from before, so I will take it off with our eye makeup remover, or makeup remover. And Mary Kay's eye makeup removers for any kind of eyes. You don't have to, or if you wear lenses, contact lenses, you can use it. It is just the best. We actually have a product. It's called Lip Primer, and we can put that on first. Moistens the lip a little bit. Go from the sides to the middle. And then I'm using a lipstick that's called Always Apricot. I'm putting on some lip gloss, and the lip gloss's name is Fancy Nancy. And there I am. The makeup is done, and we do have many products in Mary Kay for all ages, and we have spa products for all ages as well. And over on the side, we have products for men, perfumes, almost anything your heart desires in that direction. Thank you for watching me.